our forecast.
Yeah, that's true. But Peter, in the meantime, easy to get around in your daily life, even when temperatures are just normal, right?
That's right.
It's January.
That's exactly right. We've been very lucky again this season to not see that much snow. And it's not like other parts of upstate New York have been quiet, because both Watertown area, northern New York, and also western New York have had two major lake effect snow events, while here, hardly anything. Now, let's see what's coming up next. We do have a bit of light snow. It's just developing east of Lake Ontario, and that will move into central New York, but we'll call it small snow. Most spots probably get anywhere from a melting trace to a dusting or coating to an inch, but I'll show you the snowfall map coming up. After that, it's pretty quiet, and then temperatures go above average again as we get into midweek, especially as we talk about Thursday being our warmest period. After that, we're keeping an eye on a weekend weather maker. Well, some of our computer models indicate quite a bit of snow. Others have hardly any snowflakes at all. So we'll get to that in a minute. First, let's talk about the small snow, which is coming up tonight through early tomorrow morning. A spray of snow is just forming east of the lake, and that should continue and then move southbound into central New York. Again, borderline temperatures, but cold enough that I think some of it will stick, and then whatever's left over in the morning kind of fizzles out and drops south. Clouds are going to be pretty stubborn. The best chance of sun would be for northern areas, especially north of the Thruway, with the best chance of it staying pretty cloudy most of the day, Route 20 southbound. So maybe some breaks of sun late, we'll see. Either way, it's still a chilly but seasonable day. Total snowfall from this is really meager. For January standards in central New York, yeah, not much. Most spots get hardly anything to maybe a coating to an inch. The best chance of getting to the inch or more would be the Tug Hill Plateau and the hills south of Syracuse. That includes everything tonight through tomorrow morning. Now to our next weather maker. The one that we're talking about would be for this weekend, which is in pieces, with the main thing being way out here in Southern California and off the Pacific coast, and also another Pacific storm that's going to push this thing eastward. I don't know if you've known this, but the West Coast has been getting a lot of rain and elevation snow, like way too much too fast, although it's good news for water levels. Whatever is happening out there is going to be moving eastbound. It's going to take its time, but then become a little bit of snow near Denver, and then part of that system then becomes a warm system with some rain late Thursday into Thursday night. The question is, a secondary piece of this is going to try to move eastbound and create a coastal storm system. Computer models do not agree on whether to give us some snow on the backside of this, or it's too far to our east and we just get some lake effect snow showers and flurries. What we're talking about, though, is something for Saturday into Sunday morning, okay? So that's still 5-6 days away. That basically, other than tonight and tomorrow morning, is our only opportunity of accumulating snow, and it is way too early to start talking about whether it becomes something that's big, small, or nothing. But you can see in between now and then, numbers going higher Thursday and Friday. Stanley lost Skywatch. Well, it's quiet for now. We'll keep an eye on some minor snowflakes tonight back inside.
Pete, thank you. More than 7,000 nurses at two major private hospitals in New York City went on strike today.